Okay, let me just go like this. Go like this. I think wait, what's moving today? Whoa, MSCR? This thing is not even... Alright, well... I mean, let's... What, the question... Hold on, let me do this. What's going on here? AM and then the 22nd. Okay, so we can see what's going on for the day on each of these. Honestly, like, bro, like, I don't even care if there's no trade in the morning because, like, we're in chop right now. There's nothing going on here. Like, realistically speaking, I don't want to take any of these trades. We're literally at the top here. And I don't even have pivots going up higher on the daily or 4 hour. Let's see where this goes. Let's do this. That's 600 points. That's not happening. 400 points. I don't know about that. That's still 600. Are we moving right now? Yeah, I mean... I mean, technically we could have... Oh, I'm tripping, dude. Yo, Angela, I'm just seeing your, Hold on, I'm just seeing your fucking chat right now. I got the wrong chat open. Hold on. Dude, I thought that was kind of weird. I'm like, why is there... I'm like, how is that already a chat? Oh, there you go. My bad, I'm just seeing your messages right now. Okay, can you hear me? Is my audio good? You can hear me now, right? My bad. Okay, you can hear me, cool. Okay, yeah, so let's take a look at what the hell's going on. So obviously the market's not doing shit. Let me check the calendar to see if we have any important things coming up. What's the date today? The 22nd. Let's take a look real quick at the calendar. The calendar says today's Wednesday, nothing. 7:30 we have crude inventory. That's pretty much it. So no major news today. We have unemployment tomorrow, flash PMI tomorrow, consumer sentiment, and inflation expectations tomorrow. Okay, cool. Let's see. We said kind of static though. Okay, that's kind of weird. Let me try to fix that. Wait, you can't hear me clearly? Or is it kind of like low quality or some shit? Kind of static though, that's kind of crazy. Alright, so there isn't really shit going on right now. It's kind of a weird thing. I'm just trying to figure out where these take profits are going to be real quick for the next levels. I guess 400 points is realistic, but let's go on to 15 real quick. Let's try to figure out where price is going to go. We're obviously in an uptrend, so I'd only imagine that price is going to continue going higher. We're just going to knock all of these levels out. That does not make any sense, I swear, but that's, I mean, it's 125 points. That's not that bad, I actually. Okay, put one here as well, I guess. The market actually isn't doing anything right now, but hopefully that changes like in a little bit. Let me take this off now. Okay, let me do this and add these over here. Okay. So we haven't been able to break Friday's high, which is right here. This is Friday. And as you can see, we've barely been able to break it. And actually, I already had a zone here. Like if you see all the way here, I didn't drop fully, but this is from October 20. Oh, we're moving higher. But we're moving higher, but it's not like, it's not really giving any trade ideas. Okay, like technically, I could have, okay, so this is the low basically, yeah. Wait, what the hell's going on here? Wait, where's the lines I just drew? Oh. Okay, let me just do this real quick. Alternatives, let's put on the 4-hour and the daily. And I'll go down here and then switch it down to the low. Okay, cool. So, alright, let me take a look at the order book real quick, see what we got going on. Is that delta or what the fuck is that? Cumulative delta? It is delta. We don't think we really care about that, do we? I don't think we ever looked at it. Okay. Cool. Wait, why are you seeing... Hold on. Wait, what? So that's gold, and that's ES, okay. Why is ES showing... Oh, I'm tripping. Okay. Yeah, I be tripping sometimes. Alright, basically what I was trying to say was that we're basically at all-time highs. As you can see here, we ripped through all of these levels, and if you ask me, price will go higher. Dude, why is there 2 lines here? That does not make any sense. That's 128, 178. That's okay. Okay, well, we'll leave both for now. Yeah, so anyways, we're kind of at the top here, and obviously price is not really giving us, this is a 4-hour chart. It's not really giving us any kind of opportunity as of right now. What time was this? This was yesterday's low. That's kind of the last best place to purchase. Let's go down to the 5-minute. Okay, anyway, so what I was saying was we haven't been able to break this Friday high. I'm just going to erase this box. But we got rejected here. Obviously, that's Friday. We should make this yellow. Or I think white's good. Okay. Yeah. So and then we got rejected yesterday, and then today we're sort of having trouble trying to break out. I mean, we kind of already broke out. We're only up by 40 points, so it's not really. We haven't seen any real continuation just yet, but that's basically what we'd be looking for, I guess. Is anybody taking trades right now? Let me see. We're breaking up to the upside? Yeah, we are. Okay, I'm gonna say that the only trade worth taking was this long here. Like right here. If I had taken this long, it would have been a good trade. The stop loss right here, I could have made, what is this, 100. I could have been up 200, that's kind of the best trade, and kind of missed it so far. Let's see. What time is this? 6:50. Yeah, I'm right at 6:50. Just because you have obviously this low, and this low. And I like trading equal highs and lows. Okay, since we have a breakout, what we're going to look for now is we had a breakout. We want to see some sort of push lower before going push higher. Something like this. Basically like a break and retest, because right now we have a breakout. We just want to see a retest. And then we can consider taking a long. Something like this. And then target the next 78 points or whatever, ideally. Let's see if we get that. Let's see if we get a break and retest here. I mean, is that the only thing that happened today? Okay, what time was this? This was 10 p.m. last night. This was 1:40 in the morning. And then this was, what time was this? 3 a.m. and then 4 a.m. So I don't know. There really wasn't much opportunity today. I think the best bet is going to be if we get some sort of retracement here. That's a 36-point stop too. That's crazy. If I go like this. Oh shit. I'm tripping. 147 to make 300. That's not bad. Or risking $73 to make 157. I don't mind doing that. Alright, let's see what everyone else is up to. What do they got going on? Alright, nobody streaming right now? Alright, let's just watch all of these together and see what happens. A lot of liquidity up here on ES. Let's see if this thing turns around. Beyond Meat up 16%, RDW up 15. What else is up? I'm trying to find Nasdaq scalping. Who's this guy, dude? Yeah, I kind of missed out on that, I'm not gonna lie. Wait, why do I still have this open? This is supposed to be volume profile, but yeah, I don't know. I kind of want to just exit this. I don't think it's worth it, but my computer might be working a little bit on overtime right now. Because I got so many of these damn tabs open. We'll exit for now. Markets are pretty green so far. Okay, so no trades on gold. We're taking no trades on silver. What do I see here? ES is still not moving. We have 197 contracts, 199 contracts sitting there. You know what? I forgot to edit my YouTube real quick. Oh, where's the music at? I'm tripping. This was the 21st. So I didn't stream Monday, but I streamed Tuesday. Wow, no pullback, you're just gonna rip, dude? I mean, that's kind of obvious. We have a lot of liquidity here, but no pullback is crazy, dude. Hold on, let me see what I can do here. This thing is ripping without me. What the F, dude? Wow, is this the 5 minute? That's a 5 minute. I'm gonna go down to a 2 minute. Let me throw on some emails real quick. I mean, I'll be real. I definitely would have entered there, so. Maybe watch a 15. What a shit show, dude, of like a freaking if I was watching the 15, I possibly could have took a trade. seeing any. Is just straight kills. You know what? I actually forgot to do my report from yesterday. I might have to set some alerts for gold and silver. I only like taking equal highs and lows on gold and silver. And like this would have been perfect. This area would have been perfect too, taking a short here. I thought we drew what the hell? We'll just put the 5-minute on. NASDAQ, you piece of shit. Why the fuck are you ripping without me, dude? I need to make bread too, bro. I got bills, motherfucker. Dude, imagine longing the freaking top here. I mean, that's kind of the only opportunity we have to do, but I'm not going, but I can't do that at the same time. Dude, we're just ripping higher here, right? And there's, I mean, what the fuck? You kind of just have to wait for a pullback. You don't get one, we don't get one. It is what it is. It's kind of unfortunate, but. Yeah, I mean, this was the best area to go long from. You would have made a bag, dude. 169 points would have been up. It's ripping still on the 5 minutes. Crazy. I could like quadruple up the amount of contracts and go for a quick scalp, but like, should I even do that, bro? Because it's no. I should not do that. Should I take a trade just on like my Apex accounts maybe? Because like, dude, I can't believe Gold and Silver are not doing a goddamn thing right now. What the hell? Oh my days, bruv. You know what? We're gonna catch a reversal here right at this pivot point. How about that? But I need to see some selling though before I go short. To go. Dude, where's Trader? Dude, unbelievable. This thing is still ripping. It's not giving me any area to go long. Wait, why don't we have the VWAP on here? Damn, bro. Oh, you sent me a message? You gotta send it on WhatsApp, bro. Hold on. Well, that's what it would have been. Okay, hold up, bro. Can I start video? Whatever. Yo, can you hear it? Hold on. Let me pause the music real quick.
Yo, did you see that huge ass jump? Did you make money on NAS?
Nah, because I missed the entry was like down over here, what I wanted, and I didn't get to the computer until we were like up here. Which technically I could have. Are you seeing my screen right now? Are you watching the stream? You can just.
Oh, on YouTube?
Yeah.
You can show me where.
Dude, what the hell? I should have. I technically could have bought this breakout too, but
It was a huge show.
yeah, I know that's the. So we were like basically in a range, so it wasn't really doing much. But obviously we're in an uptrend, so like I would only look for longs anyways for buys, and then this is where I wanted it right here, like this area, but then. But then it broke out, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait for like a retest. Never got a retest, so then I just like watched this thing. This is what I should have made, like 88 points. Dude, what is this thing at the top of my screen? I should have collected 88 points. Now I was thinking about going short, and I technically should have grabbed this as well, like this little 39 points. But if I start to see some real selling, I'm probably gonna go short. So I'm just gonna wait here for a couple minutes. If it breaks out to the upside, maybe I'll take a long, and if it goes to the downside, I'm probably gonna go short. Let's see this thing here. Yeah, it was kind of like the thing is like Nasdaq when it first opened, it was kind of weird. Like, I mean, this entire thing, if you go on a higher time frame, you can kind of see how weird it is. Where it's just like, it's just not really doing much. It's not really giving much opportunity. Like. The best areas to buy is always like these lows down here or whatever, right? So you're buying at discounts, so then you have to go to like a lower time frame, and it's like you got these nasty dips, but they're all like midday. So the dips that I was gonna buy at was this first one, second one, or third one, and then so then to go back to down to like the 5 minute, and then this is what we had on the 5, like right before we took off. Market opens in this range here of like 87 points, and then it broke out. But if I had taken this long here, this would have been the best right here. Like a very short stop, like 17 points, and I would have collected like 169. And then so it ripped without me, and then I didn't want to chase because that's like the worst thing you can do. But
Frick, I wish if I was up, if I was on my computer. Actually, even at 7:15.
Yeah, it's like the thing is like going into the open is sometimes like it's difficult to like be in a position unless like the setup looks really really good. Oh, we're selling in right here.
Yeah.
Dude, I literally just said like a couple minutes ago like I was gonna hit a sell position like right at the top here where my line is. I would be up right now. $200 across 20 accounts, but give me a good position here. Let me see what's going on. Is gold, silver selling off too? Yeah. Okay, gold and silver selling off.
I got a gold signal and I hit stop loss like immediately.
This morning?
Yeah, like just right now. It was literally here, I'll tell you. It was buy at 4744. TP 4753, and then stop loss was.
Wait, was it a buy or sell?
Oh no, buy at 4750.
Buy is 4750.
Stop loss 4744, and then TP 4753. The first TP.
Well, that's.
I hit the stop loss like right away.
Wait, what the fuck? The only way you could have done that was yesterday. 4750.
Buy at 4750.
At what time did you get that signal?
7:21 a.m.
No, it's impossible.
Oh well, this is gold against the US dollar.
Oh, okay, that's why you're getting a bit of a different thing, yeah, because on here it doesn't make sense. Okay, I don't even know if you could trade XUAD or whatever. Whoa, look at that! Whoa! Whoa! Look at that, dude! 40 points to the upside here. We might have a breakout to the upside. Might be able to take a trade to a long here in a second. What is this? This is a 2 minute. This is a 5. Okay, hold on. Let me make sure my counts are on. Oh, that's cool. We can just put you right over here. Okay. Let's see. All my accounts are connected. Okay, good. And this is the 15th account. Let me just make sure. Okay, good. We'll just double check this. Double check this. Cool. Bro, what the frick? Okay, let me put VWAP here. What the hell? Oh. Let me put VWAP and then let me do. This is the same color. I think so. Well, we're at like a pivotal point right now. This is kind of, we're gonna find out in a second here if they're gonna send it higher or not. And if they do, I'll probably end up maybe taking a trade. But like the thing about trading Nasdaq, you have to understand is the bulk of the move, or the best move, is always going to be the first move right off the open, always. And then if there's real momentum behind that, then maybe you might get a real good move throughout the day, like to mid-morning. Or if there's like a tweet or something, that can definitely change. Or if there's like news. But ideally, like the first move is always the best. So for example, like we already missed this first move, unfortunately. Like this is the best move. Sometimes, so there's the first
move was at 7:15. Or which one are you talking about?
Yeah, like 650, like right here, basically. Well, actually, you hadn't. Yeah, six. Well, yeah, technically it was like right off the open, which is this first leg. See how like if you're looking at my screen right now, like you get this first leg here from the bottom to the top. That's 183 points. So with Nasdaq, the first move is always the best. Sometimes you get a reversal like immediately, which is what I was gonna try to play. But you got to be careful with that as well, because sometimes it's like, sometimes you just get straight momentum, as you're seeing right now. Like they just bought, like as it was going down, anybody who tried to get in a reversal, like if they didn't take profit, they just got screwed. Like that's only 46 points. Most people who take a reversal trade, they're probably hoping to come it down here. Now price is going up. So this is why like I took a couple seconds to just wait it out a bit. But yeah, basically what I was trying to say is just the first move is always the best, and then sometimes you get blessed with like a second and third move. So where price comes right back down, reverses the entire move, and then goes right back up. I think we saw that yesterday. Let's see. Technically, yes, sort of. Let me take a look at yesterday's price action. We're like, okay, what time is this? This is 4:40. Okay, so price had one move to the upside, 140 something points, and then had a second move all the way of 195. You see what I'm saying? Like this is yesterday. So when the market opened, it rallied 146 points and then it dropped 195. Those two moves were the best moves throughout the entire day, except for this stuff right here, which was like actual tweets, Trump tweeting, which is why you had this like crazy move down, crazy move up, and you can't really catch those or plan for those. So right now, we had one first move to the upside, and now we're just gonna kind of wait. I'm gonna watch the order book here, like right over here, and just there really isn't much. That's the thing. Like if you have orders like down here and up here, then it's like okay, we can aim for something, but like we have what 78.80 on ES. There's 157 contracts there. On Nasdaq, there's really nothing here that has like a significant amount of contracts, except for I guess 70, 27, 27, 26, I guess 27, 0, 26. We're there. So now it's like I expect chop until they start putting orders on the order book. Otherwise, like we don't really know if it's went up or down. But even then, I might take a long, like just cause if they end up breaking it up higher. But it's weird. Like okay, we had, what kind of day did we have yesterday? Let me see again. Yesterday was a shit day. We did absolutely nothing. And Friday we did nothing. We've been in this range for quite some time. Yeah, see, we've been in this range. I was already bullish coming into the day just because obviously like we've been in an uptrend for the last 3 weeks. Every consolidation that you see is gonna be like, wait, hold on, let me just. It's gonna be used as support for like higher. Okay, just so you can see this here. Okay, so yeah, the structure's been pretty much the same the entire last 3 weeks. Like price goes up, consolidates sideways, and then goes higher, and then as it goes higher, it goes sideways. Before going higher again, it goes sideways. Before going higher again, this is sideways. Now we're going higher again. But sometimes to catch the moves, like they don't really give you the best bet. You know what? I will say also though, if you were trading that 15-minute strategy that you were talking about yesterday, you probably would have been able to take this trade to the upside. because you had a 15-minute break right here. Probably right on cash 100 points. What did he say? Dropped this after conversation. My ability to wait for the best possible setup was 10x today. Normally would have probably taken longs at 9:45. Knowing I didn't like the delivery, waited for resweep. Normally would FOMO around 9:54. Instead, waited for a retrace flip. Congrats, buddy. That's awesome. But I don't know. I'm not really seeing shit right now. The orb trade would have hit though, for sure. I should probably do this real quick. I don't know how long I'm gonna give this because I'm not trying to sit here for too long, to be honest. I can't fuck with none of y'all niggas. Y'all disgust me. You need with your mega ass first. If it would stick, honestly, might have to just save our capital for today because we're seeing absolutely nothing on the order book, and
So we're pretty much.
yeah, go ahead.
Do you think there's any trades left, or?
Well, as of right now, I'm not seeing anything on the order book. Like, can you see where my mouse is right now on my YouTube screen?
Mm-hmm.
This little box right here, right? When there's no like orders like huge red lines like up here or below here, like away from price, what that tells me is that there's price is not going to do anything because there's no orders on the order book. Like, so it's not going to go up, it's not going to go down, it's just going to sit around and just do this, which is like, what range is this in? This is a 40.
My indicator is glitching, I think.
Which one? Let me see. Oh, okay, just click.
My strike 90. It's supposed to be.
Is it still messing around? Okay, hold on. Let me if you need to cover, you click the eye. But I'll, you know what? Later today, I'll find you like a proper orb strategy that doesn't glitch.
Do you have an indicator that I could just like maybe do like a one-time purchase, because then I can cancel the subscription on this platform.
Yeah, well, I mean, like orb strat, like a lot of those orb strats are free on here. Like, look, I'll find you a good one right now. Okay, opening range breakout. I think we tried one of these already. Let me try this. This one.
Because I feel like since I'm a beginner, I still need like an indicator.
Okay. Well, I mean, your strat is not bad. Like the orb strategy it's a good strat. Like I was just saying today, you were gone, but like I was just saying that if you actually traded this orb strat today, like the 15-minute breakout or whatever, you would have been able to take this trade and at least made like 95 points, which is a lot. That's like $200.
I know, I saw that.
So yeah, the 15, like it's a really good strat. It's not a bad one. In fact, like I forget to put it on sometimes, or just look as one of the things I look at. But even today, like I guess I didn't really pay attention because what I was more concerned about was like, did I miss this bottom thing? But and then I was like, okay, well then I could have took a long from here, but you could just
You
use.
should just keep one of the indicators on though, because then you would see it right away as soon as you open your chart.
Yeah, the orb. So this one is like the thing I don't like about this is like there's just too much shit going on this chart, but this one is pretty good. Let me figure out what this one is called. Where the fuck's the name for this thing? Wait, hold on. Let me just find the source. Is it source or Fiant? No. Orb price targets with get that cash money. That's the guy who created it. About the script. Okay, hold on. Let me figure it out. Who created this? Orb with price targets. Okay. So that one is really good. Let me find out which one that is. Get that cash money. Okay. Orb with price targets. Okay. So go on your screen right now. Wait. And then I think that one you already have on your screen actually. You might have it. Do you have this? Do you have one that says orb like on your indicators?
No.
You don't have that?
Just put the AG watermark and then the sessions lux algo.
Oh, okay. Okay, so do this then. Go and type in. Okay, so click this indicator button up here at the top, like where my stream is, and then type in ORB. And then there's one that says orb with price targets, and it says get that cash money, 3.6K.
Orb with price target.
Yeah, made by get that cash money.
Okay, got it.
So when you click that, it'll open up on your screen, and then you could watch this on like on a 5-minute if you want, and then you can when the 15 minute is over, like the first 15 minutes or whatever, you can just like click the eyeball. Like, and then what I would do right now is like, okay, click the eyeball so it's closed, so it's not on, and then click save up here on your screen, so that it's saved. The indicator's saved on there. So every time you log onto your trading view, the indicator will be there. You just have to turn it on by clicking the eye.
Am I able to edit this indicator or no?
Yeah, you are. Yeah. What do you want to take off? Like the.
Well, I kind of want it to look like the other indicator. So.
Wait, can we just? Okay, let me see if I can edit this one. I only want to see like the previous, like I mean the first period or minutes. Okay, 15. Okay, what are you trying to edit?
Like, I guess the body of it, like remove the body.
Okay, let me see your screen. Show me your screen so I can see what you're talking about. No way this guy hit this. Who hit a trade today? What inverse fair value gap are these guys talking about? Oh my days, you gotta be joking. They took one of these. Okay, let me see your screen. We are getting rejected. Sorry.
You see my strike 90 one is kind of like looks nicer.
Oh, okay, here. Let me, okay, so, yeah, so hover over the top.
Like this is how my strike 90 looks. Like
Okay.
it has like a line and then a red and then a line, like kind of nice like that.
It's very simple, right? Yeah, I was trying to find, okay, so I can find one like that's just that simple. Because obviously, that's what I don't like about this shit too. There's so much stuff going on.
But
Like, it would be easier if they didn't show us, like, the previous one. And I'm trying to figure that out right now. Like, but there's no orb high. Hold on, let me just, boxes.
there is a previous option you can remove.
Where do you see it?
I've seen it.
Oh, previous days? Okay, remove that off. I'm taking that off. Okay. Then what the hell is this? Where's the orb high and orb low? I don't even see it. What's this middle point thing? What the hell's this line
You
here?
go to style.
Okay, show orb labels. Okay, got that. Show potential orb break and retest. Maybe we take that out.
Okay. And then you show orb ranges on previous day.
Shade orb line. took off the midpoint, but I still don't actually like see anything. What does it say here? It says, what is this freaking green line in the middle? I don't understand what the hell that is. Failed breakout? It's showing us for like the previous, I don't even understand, but it says breakout, wait for retest. Orb high, orb low. I think that's the only thing that matters, honestly. Like, I want to delete all this crap. I can honestly create an indicator too, which I'll probably just do myself. Because I don't want to see any of this stuff. No, it's just music in the background. Okay, so like I was saying, okay, so the thing I don't like about this orb indicator is all this crap behind it. I just want to see just this stuff from here forward, which I can find one on, like, why is it showing us behind? I don't get it. Yeah, okay, there's no, I'll have to just find an orb indicator and make another one. And if I can't find one, which it's probably highly unlikely that I will find one, I can just create my own using ChatGPT.
Okay. Well, I'm kind of editing it now.
What the hell is this? What the fuck? No, oh shit. Get this shit out of here. On your buy and sell strategy, bitch. What? Damn, well, Loki was not prepared for today because honestly, I did sleep. I got off my bed at 6:30.
But freaking that gold one, if you were up by 7, you would have made it.
Yeah, I mean,
The gold, the NASDAQ.
yeah, I mean, well, the gold features is different, so I don't know, like it didn't, like, what you said to me didn't make sense. I guess the prices are different between X AUD versus like proper
But no, according to like this like orb thing,
Mhm.
like the breakout would have happened at like 7:15, and you could have gotten the first.
Oh yeah, for NASDAQ, yeah, like I had time. If I used the orb strat, I would have made bread. That is true. Yeah. Okay, now I'm good. Alright, I just went recently. Are you going to work today? You going to work today?
No, I'm going to the library.
Right now?
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. Let's wait, where's my remote? Damn, this motherfucker fucking went bald, bro. What the fuck? Okay, yeah. So remember I was telling you how the orb strat is like a really good strat, like it actually does work. So like now sometimes it doesn't, but like I think on a longer time frame, like it's a profitable strategy. I think. And now the market's not doing a damn thing, but yeah, I'll just go through all these orbs and figure out orb breakout. Let's see. Row with ATR, trailing stop loss. That's freaking ugly, dude. What the hell? Orb, VWAP, RSI, TP levels, order flow. What the hell does this mean? Huh. That's very interesting. Symbol, MNQ, orb high, low, VWAP above. RSI, entry, lock, yes. CVD. That's a very interesting strat. 9:30 to 9:45. What time is it right now? 6 a.m. 6:15, 6:30 to 6:45. Wait, what? I don't understand this indicator. Exchange time, I got 6:30 to 6:45. I think this thing is tripping, but okay, I don't think this one's a good one anyways, but let me just save this like that. Go back. Dude, gold and silver not doing anything. What that makes me think is that there's going to be a very big move sometime in the middle of today, and then, or either in the afternoon today. But the market's waiting on something. I don't even know what it is. We got the ceasefire agreement already, so I'm not really sure what the market's waiting for. Yeah, nothing on gold. That's silver and gold really not moving. That's unfortunate. I need at least one good silver trade within this week, or at least by next week. Within the next 2 weeks. Yeah. Let's see what's going on here. I mean, technically I could have went short a couple times here, to be honest. Risking something very small. But oh shit. I did forget to cover that.
Yeah, I can leave in like 10 minutes. I have to go help my mom work. Were you
Okay.
able to do were you able to put in a trade for an Asia session?
Yesterday there wasn't really, well actually there technically kind of was. We had this move here, which was this move from, what time is this? From 3:50 to about 8:45, and I think I was outside the house, so I didn't actually catch that. But the market did move a little bit higher from, what time is this? 3, yeah. Yeah, I mean it was very, very short, yeah. 3, like, the real trade would have been like somewhere around 4 p.m. to maybe 8, so really a 4-hour window for both silver and gold. And then it kind of just went sideways after that. So, but the fact that gold and silver are not doing anything today makes me think that there is going to be a very big move in the afternoon today. Whether it's during market hours or in Asia session, I'm not sure. But whenever you see like gold and silver do this, like they're doing absolutely nothing, you're gonna get a huge candle pretty soon. There's probably going to be some sort of tweet that comes out later. But I am going to try to pay attention to it. I think yesterday I was outside the house, so.
Yeah, I should be able to come back. I'm gonna go work and then I should be able to be back by market open at 3, possibly.
Okay, yeah. I mean, there's really nothing left right now. What I will do is also like later look for a proper orb strat, and if I can't find one, I'll just make one. That looks really good.
Yeah, I'm editing this one. I think I might cancel myself.
Oh, you made it look really nice. You just took off that thing, right? You took off the shadow.
Yeah, I took out the shadow and then I'm trying to figure out how to. Like you can definitely change the lines. I just don't know.
Hey, show extent.
Or you want to do something?
What the hell? How come? Wait, how do you have a square on yours? I took off the shade.
Well, because I did go to the shaded orb range.
Uh-huh.
And then you can change the color.
Oh, okay, I see.
So I just put it on black.
Yeah. I think mine's like on the very dark blue or something. Interesting. Okay, well, I mean, it's funny because as the market was going up higher, I was like, you know, I'd love to take a short from this 994 level where we got rejected, but it was like, but you also don't short, like, you have to use common sense. You don't short when the market is moving higher, or you don't go against the trend because then you're kind of being retarded for doing that. But like it technically would have, I mean, it would have paid what, like 45 points. I probably would have got stopped out, to be honest. But I should have hit a short after price got rejected for the second time. That's more of a higher probability, and that could have hit for 180. But honestly, it is what it is. Like there might be a trade in the afternoon. If not, there could be a better trade tomorrow or the next day. So save my money, show up earlier tomorrow.
Yeah. I feel like overall, like, I'm kind of understanding the strategy. I just need to, like...
Well, like, okay, so when you're looking at this orb thing, okay, by the way, that, can you hover over, okay, go into the orb indicator part where this little setting thing, like, just hover over the name. Or no, go to inputs, yeah, I think it's in inputs. Go scroll all the way down. Okay, no, it's not there. Go to style. And then scroll all the way down. And click on inputs and status line. Check that off. Okay, and then click values in line. Off. Okay, now click OK. Because it makes that whole like indicator on the top right or left screen like so long. So you just shorten it. And you should watch this on the 5 minutes ride, I think. Or maybe the 5 minute, because the 1 minute you're gonna get chopped up. Like, see, so notice how in the first 5 minute candle that broke out, if you had entered there and then you just held for like 3 5 minute, even 4 5 minute candles, you would have made like that's about 100 points. You would have made 100 times 2, so that's $200. That's all you need to be doing a day for 5 days, and you pass basically. So yeah, the orb strat I think paid twice, 2 days in a row. I think it paid yesterday, maybe. Let's see. Actually, I don't think it paid yesterday because.
Yeah, and then I took... Actually, I'm gonna turn on the stream.
Yeah, I was gonna do that in a second to show previous days. Go on a 5 minute and just see.
Because like yesterday too.
I think yesterday was a bit of a mess. Like I think from what I'm seeing here, I'm not seeing.
I mean, if we would have jumped on this candle, this
Yeah, that's the strategy is meant to be used like at market open because of the volume. The volume's there to make you make money. When you're doing it before the market opens, the volume isn't there. So that means that you could be in a trade and it doesn't actually move in your direction, so you're just sitting there waiting for it to work.
So here, market open, it jumped up.
And
Graph.
yeah, you had a bit of a failed breakout. Yesterday was a bit of a mess, so like it didn't work out to the upside. So if you did take that trade at the first 5 minute, or the first candle that broke out, you would have got stopped out for sure. And then yeah, so like, but most of the time, like it doesn't work every day, but it does work like I think enough times for you to make money with it. Like if you go back, because if you go back one day, like okay, go to the left, then go to the next day, the previous day, right? You can see that it kind of worked out on this day, right? If you're looking at my stream as well. Here's the 15 high and low. It's just chopping. Price breaks. We have 2 doji candles, but then if you did decide to go short, even on any of these, let's say, you would have caught this entire move. 126. So it worked out the day before, like on what day is this? Monday. And then this is Friday. Friday, first 15 minutes. Look at this. On Friday, if you scroll even one more day over, you can see that the first 15 minutes it was down over here on the 5 minute chart. You got a breakout. If you traded that breakout, you would have made 50 points, but then there was a bit of a break and retest. So let's say your stop loss is like at 30, you still would have caught 120 points. So you see what I did there? Like it depends. If you're gonna be the person that enters on the breakout candle or after, it really depends. It's up to you. If you did enter on the second candle, you probably, I don't think you would have got stopped out because you would have had a pretty decent stop. Let's say, actually you can't have a 50-point stop. You might have got stopped out. I'm gonna lie. But this would be considered a retest anyways.
I need to start paper trading so I can get the like idea of it.
The feeling of it, yeah. Well, the market's not going to do anything for the rest of today, so.
Yeah, I have to get ready. I have to go work with my
Damn it!
Yeah.
I missed another 2 trades today, bro. What the fuck?
Okay, I'll talk to you later. I'm going to the Asian session from
Okay, afternoon, right?
yeah,
3 p.m.
like 5.
Okay, see you. What are you guys trading? Oh, SN or NMAX. I just saw that somewhere. 32% for today. Alright, no trades today. So we're building. Seems like NMAX could be shaping up to be the next car squeeze. Is there a short squeeze on that? 88% short float shorted. 2 firms own 48% of Class B shares. Tiny float. We like to see that. We like to see that. And should we start printing with this? Alright, let me, I think we're done. Yeah, we're not trading anymore. We have another short squeeze taking place right now. It's only up 30%, but that could be a start. So let's switch to equities. Let's log out of here. We're not messing with any of this shit. It's a very, very nice watch. Should I buy this watch? The Wimbledon. How much is it? It's only 12 grand. That's a nice Rolex. I don't know how I used to feel about the two-tone, but it is a pretty casual day, and that's the green is really beautiful. You guys have been talking, bro. The Wimbledon, everyone's posting this. Already logged out, so let's go to equities. Actually, let me quickly do this journal real quick. We'll have to figure out what we're gonna do, but alright, let's basically just write what we missed out on today, which is I mean, yeah, whatever. We'll quickly we'll stop the stream because we're not gonna take any trades today.